right, guys, we're going to move on to our math lesson for Tuesday, March 24th. We have our new day 2 warm-up. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write all this down in your notebook, in your math notebook, and make sure you show your work on the problem solving number 5. Okay, go ahead and pause. I bet that didn't take very long at all. Very good. All right, we're going to go ahead and check it. Number 1, 3 times what is 24? So that's basically saying how many 3's are in 24? And the answer is 8. Very good. So this being a fact family, I know if I start with 24 and divide it by 3, how many groups would I get? I would get 8 again. Okay? Remember those fact families. We're also going to use a fact family to solve these 2 problems as well. We're going to begin with the addition. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 8, 16. Regroup the 1. 1, 5, and 2 is 8. Now, I know that I see over here 588 and 281. If I do the inverse operation, I know I'm going to start with this box. And your clue was this box. Look. Okay, so all I have to do is fill in my 869. Now these are a fact family as well. All right. Did you think this one was weird? So easy it makes it hard. 1,450 minus what is 0? Well, you have to take all of it away, right? 1,450 is your answer. So easy, it was kind of tricky. All right, this was from our last unit, measurement. Notice it was centimeters. How many centimeters long is the pencil? Okay, the answer is 7 centimeters. Do you remember which is smaller, a centimeter or an inch? Yeah, the centimeter. Remember, they were easier because there was 100 of them in the next unit of measurement. All right, number 5. Tony eats 1 slice of pizza in 3 minutes. How long will it take him to eat 4 slices? Okay, my data tells me it takes 3 minutes to eat 1 slice. How long will it take for 4 slices? So what are you going to do? If every slice takes 3 minutes, what's a fast way to do that? You could add, but what's faster? That's right, multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. It takes him 12 minutes to eat 4 slices of pizza. I wonder if you should time yourself. How long does it take you to eat a slice of pizza? I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and move on to your review assignment. I'm going to put on my glasses because you remember my answers are so teeny tiny. We're going ahead and look at workbook page 629. 629. Number 1, circle the shapes that have exactly 4 sides. Draw an X on the shapes that have more than 4 vertices. A side and a vertice, the little corners. Okay? You should have circled the second shape and the 4th shape. They both have 4 sides. What are those called? Quadrilaterals. Very good. The next one was the Xing of the vertices, more than 4 vertices. So that would be the 3rd shape and the last shape. Get an X. Then you had to use a ruler to draw a shape with 6 sides. You're going to have to check your own count. Does it have 6 sides? You got it right. And then a shape with 4 vertices. Does it have 4 corners? Perfect. You got that one right too. Now we're going to build a rectangular prism with 24 cubes. Okay? So if I try and draw that, did y'all try and draw it? We all drew these before. Okay? So I'm going to do 3 layers, right? 3 layers of 8 cubes. So the top section is going to look like that because it has 8 cubes on the top. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my top layer. Okay, so if I carry that down here, whoop, 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 and whoop. Okay, that's what it would look like. Okay, but your answer, the top view is up here, right? So you should have drawn it or colored it in. Okay, with 8 squares colored, because you're looking at it from the top. Okay, then the front, if I'm looking at it from the front, okay, if I look here, look, they're all colored in. Okay, once again, there was 24 cubes because there were 3 layers of 8. There's 8 here, 8 under there, and 8 on the bottom. 8 times 3 is 24. All right, flip your paper over to the back. On the back, we had to fold a pentagon. How many sides does a pentagon have? Think of the pentagon in Washington, 5, so that it makes 2 quadrilaterals. So if you chose the first answer, that's not even a pentagon. So our choices could be the second one or the last one. The second one folds it into 3 parts, so I know it can't be that one too. So my last choice is number 3. If I count the sides, there are 4 in each one. They share a side, but they each have 4 sides. Number 6, Max started baseball practice at the time shown on the clock. At what time did he start baseball? If you circled the hour hand numbers, it is between the 2 and the 3. It's almost to the 3, but not quite. And the minute hand is on the 11. So what I'm thinking is it's not quite to the 3 yet, so it's got to be 2 something. The only answer with 2 something is 2:55. So let me count the minute hand, go round like a flower, counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. The second answer is correct. It's 2:55. Do you think that would be AM or PM to have baseball practice? PM, because it's after lunch. Number 7, which of these solids is a rectangular prism? We drew one up here. Can you find it? It's number 3. And our number 8, which of the following shapes has 8 sides? Looks like a stop sign. It's the one in the middle. Very good. All right, your assignment is to complete the next 2 pages for 631 and 632. Okay, we will go over that tomorrow and also do another warm-up. Alrighty then. That completes our math lesson for the day, but I did want to show you one more thing. To make things a little more fun, because we always like to do fun stuff, we're going to play the Shamrock game for the month of March. This was the Shamrock that was on our board, so it's kind of special to me because I miss our board, I miss our classroom. I know you guys do too, but we're going to see each other again very soon. So we're going to take our Shamrock, and each day it will be hidden somewhere in the classroom. And you are going to make a list. So starting tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, you're going to write down Wednesday. And when you see where it is, you just write that down next to Wednesday. Then you do the same for Thursday and Friday. And then when your parent takes a picture of your assignments, have them take a picture of your list. And every person in your class who gets it right will get a piece of gold in the pot. So all the Monzone's kids are earning Monzon gold, and all the Ruckman kids are earning Ruckman gold. And we'll see at the end of March who has the most gold. And there might be a prize that comes in the mail. You never know. So make sure you remember to look for the shamrock and jot it down. I'll remind you for this first week, but after that, I'm not going to remind you. We'll make it really tricky. You have to pay close attention to my videos. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. Good night.